Hi, this is Trevor Conquergood from Saskatoon, Canada, and I am very excited to be visiting my friends at Queen Sewing in Phoenix, Arizona at their Tempe store for 4 fun embroidery days. There's 4 different days you can sign up for any one day or sign up for all 4. And let me tell you about day 3. That is Friday, December the 13th, and we will be making jewelry on December the 13th, and we're going to make 4 different projects that day, starting with this cool little tiny rose. It could be a lapel pin, it could be a hair clip, it could be a brooch. We'll have all different options there, but you'll be making teeny tiny rose jewelry. And then we're also going to be making these beautiful embroidery bracelets. Call it a cuff if you want to. It's got a snap closure to it. We'll be embroidering on cork. You can choose from regular cork, or we'll have the shiny metallic corks there. We'll have different types of colors of buttons to snap them up with. We'll use the black dream weave to kind of finish them on the inside, and it'll make a really cool collection to your beautiful embroidery jewelry. And of course, what embroidery jewelry collection could be complete without some of Trevor's lace snowflake earrings, you guys? And I know you're going to love learning all about embroidery on water dissolving materials and making lace earrings. You can use rhinestones to decorate them with. And so that'll be a ton of fun. We'll also do a really cool bead look pendant like this. We'll sew onto the Deco Magic, and we'll be using cork to sew on a backside of it or to close it up. And I'll have some bonus projects for you guys that you can also make at home, like the cool lace I love you hearts. Or just for you guys, I made the Arizona luggage, or not luggage, key tag. And so it's going to be a ton of fun, and I can't wait to meet you guys there. And so you want to call the store and sign up for Making Jewelry with Trevor on December the 13th at Malquis Sewing. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.